Hi and welcome to our Linux commands tutorial. In this video, we'll talk about different kinds of Linux commands, explaining what they do and why they're important for your computer. In this video, we'll be focusing only on file commands, showing you different types of commands you can use for files. So type of Linux commands are 1. File commands 2. Process management commands 3. File permission commands 4. Searching commands 5. System info commands 6. Compression commands 7. Network commands. File commands in Linux are used to perform various operations on files and directories. These commands are essential for managing your file system and include actions like creating, copying, moving, deleting, listing, and modifying files and directories. Here are some commonly used file commands in Linux. ls, list files and directories in the current directory. cd, change the current directory. pwd, print the current working directory. touch, create an empty file. mkdir, create a new directory. rmdir, remove an empty directory. rm, remove files and directories. cp, copy files and directories. mv, move or rename files and directories. cat, display the content of a file. grep, search for specific text within files.